Okay, so now let's do a kind of an effects fill kind of sound, which does not have to be a fill, but it could be whatever. It's a sound effect, but let's use it as a fill. So let's look for our sound. This really also could be anything. And just basically what I'm doing, just when you do this kind of sound, you just need to listen to the frequency content, and then you know what you can work with. So let's use this. Yeah, this, you hear this crack? This one sounds neat. So let's do like a rolling. I call it a rolling sound. Right, let's find this part. A lot of interesting stuff here. This, if you can hear closely, it already sounds like an FM sound. Let's try this. Let's take it. One transposition, transposing the pitch one, semitone. And let's, no, let's not loop it. Let's use the free. So I just automate the rate, and we have something weird going on. It's a very, you can always, it's like stretching. Let's make it longer. Now, obviously, you can also change the starting point. Then it will even be more colorful. You can add a filtering to it. And just be creative with it. You can do so many stuff with this. You can pitch it up. You can even put another arpeggiator. So here it starts at 12.5 milliseconds, and then it will just do this arpeggiation, but in the tuning of this arpeggiator. And if we do a 25, yeah, now it's pitched down. See the difference? Because of the rate, it just makes it a wavetable that is 25 milliseconds long, which is here, which is from here to about here. And yeah, and then you add a delay, for example, and you automate the crap out of it. Let's go. Let's add a crash symbol.